Happy New Year sa mga kay kapuso natin dyan. Ayan, katulad dumaan sa likod ko. Ayan, dyan na mahilig mag-makeup. Ito ang para sa inyo ngayong year 2012. Para, of course, pati ang mga makeup lalo nagiging modern na. Yan, ibibida sa atin ni Donna Viola Andrada, Marketing Manager ng Temp2 Pro Philippines. Good morning, Donna.
Good morning. Good morning sa lahat ng viewers natin.
Ay, ano ba ang mga beauty product ngayon na bago, mauuso?
Well, uso ngayon yung mga techie beauty gadgets. Ito yung mga very handy and very portable na mga pampaganda at pampabeauty. Kagaya nitong Zuka bag. This is a Kikay kit. Kikay kit.
Napakalaking Kikay kit yan.
It's a trolley. So, marami siyang compartment sa loob. Pwede mong lagay lahat ng mga kailangan mo na mga makeup, kahit yung mga hair accessories.
This is like for yung katrabaho mo kay makeup artist or kay artista siguro, di ba? You need a lot of makeup. Perfect siya. So, meron na siya organizer sa loob.
Yes, and ang maganda dyan, this is a trolley, so meron siyang gulong. It's very handy, so pag traveling, pwede. And you can sit on it.
Talagang ilang pounds bang kaya dyan?
Hanggang 300
Wow!
pounds ang kaya niya.
That's fantastic!
Yes. Pero it's very lightweight ha, so magaan na magaan siya.
Magkakano yung ganito?
That's 15,000. Yeah.
Kasi ganun din naman ang labanan ng makeup kits usually, di ba? Na portable. Pero ito, ang tibay pala.
Yes, matibay.
So if you're traveling, kasi marami mga iba nagta-travel out of the country, then yun yung trabaho na nag-makeup, this is good for them. What other things do you have?
This one naman, this is an epilator. This is Remington epilator. So, you don't have to go to salons to have your hair removal. So, pwede na sa bahay. So,
testing natin.
Legs, ganyan. So, ito yun.
Ito testing ba sa'yo? Sa'yo ba? Ay, ang sarap nito sa legs.
Yeah.
So, pwede yan any, like your legs. Pero bikini area, pwede ba yan? That's okay?
It's very safe to use sa mga delicate areas.
All right. Okay, so you've got this one.
Yes.
Tapos nun.
And then, this is Remington Fast Curls. Ito naman yung electronic curlers. So, para maka-achieve ng magandang waves sa hair na mabilisan lang. So, if you're on the go, tapos if you're traveling, it's very compact. So, ito siya. So,
Dalhin mo na lang siya.
Yes, isasaksak mo lang siya para iinit.
Gano'ng katagal bago minute?
It takes about mga 1 minute, so 60 seconds.
Ganun, totoo. Tapos mainit, ready to use na yan?
Yes, ready to use.
That's really fast. Yun yung advantage niya.
And then this one, this is the beauty blender.
Okay.
This is, it comes with a cleanser. So ito yung panglinis ng sponge.
May special pa
And
siya.
ang maganda with beauty blender, aside from being pink and egg-shaped na kakaiba, ito yung hindi siya masyado nakaka-absorb ng makeup, so hindi mawi-waste, hindi mapuput into waste yung
Kadalasan napupunta yung makeup doon na lang sa sponge, diba? So yun yung difference. Magkakano yung ganyan?
That's 1,495 for the sponge, pero kung yung kit may kasamang cleanser, 2,595 lang.
Mga gaano katagal naman ang buhay niyan? Kasi investment, mahal eh.
Tumatagal siya up to a year and depende kung paano mo siya i-care o kung paano mo siya i-handle, no? And yung ginagawa ngayon ni Miss Rhea Tintin, or professional makeup artist here, stippling technique yung ginagamit niya. Kasi ganyan ang makaka-achieve ng flawless complexion using beauty blender.
So tuldok-tuldok lang. Wag yung punas ng parang, di ba, parang yung wipe it on. So ganyan-ganyan lang.
Kahit hindi ka makeup artist, maganda yung magiging effect ng beauty blender kapag yun ang ginamit mo.
And then what kind of foundation do you use? Yung cream type o yung liquid, powder?
You can use actually cream, foundation, or even liquid with that sponge.
But not the powder. Not the powder. All right. And then last?
The last one is the lash extender and mascara Diva of Diva Derm. So ito naman yung instant pampahaba ng pilik mata. So it's a two-step product. No? Yung una, lalagyan natin siya ng mascara. So ang paglagay natin ng mascara, pa-zigzag motion.
Pa-zigzag,
para hindi siya magka-clump, magdidikit. And then after using the mascara, Diva, gagamitan natin siya ng lash extender. Ito yung merong mga hundreds of tiny hair particles na mag-a-add ng volume and length on your lashes.
That's the difference. Parang may dinadagdag dun sa aside from the usual mascara, of course.
Yes. And compared to sa mga false eyelashes at saka lash extensions na nasisira yung natural hair natin saka nabubunot, which is very unhealthy for our eyes, no? So itong Diva Derm mascara natin, meron siyang panthenol, which actually nourishes our lashes.
Nangalagaan pa siya lalo. Well, thank you so much for sharing all of this with us, Donna. At ngayon naman, narito naman ang mga bagong makeup for 2012 mula naman kay Miss Miss Suzanne Anang Sush. Hello, Suzanne. Welcome back. Hi, good morning. Ano yung naririnig ko na yan, Suzanne? Ano to? Ano?
Yung mga new gadgets for 2012.
Okay.
So, instead of using yung mga traditional na razor, ito yung battery-operated na razor.
Wow.
So, hindi siya nagkakalawang. So, tapos very easy to use. Hindi siya nakakasugat.
So, wala ka nire-replace dyan? Hindi mo
No,
pinapalitan?
battery lang.
Battery lang.
Yes.
How do you keep it clean?
May kasama siyang brush dun sa case niya. So, pwede mo siyang linisin with a brush lang.
Ganun-ganun lang. So, it will last you years.
Yes.
Magkakano yung ganyan?
This one is 750.
Alright.
Yeah,
So,
very
that's for
affordable.
facial hair, no?
Pwede rin facial hair, pwedeng armpit.
Pwede ring armpit.
Kasi may two sizes siya nung razor. May bigger and then a smaller one.
Is that part of the kit, yung two
Yes.
sizes? Okay, so you've got ano na, for all your needs na. Hair trimming needs.
Yes.
Alright, then what else do you have
And
for
then
us?
we also have a heated curler. So instead of using a traditional eyelash curler, so we have a heated curler. So mga less than 1 minute, nag-heat na siya. And then you can use it, just press it against your eyelash and then magka-curl na siya.
Hindi ka naman mapapaso yung talukap ng
Hindi,
mata.
yes.
Hindi
So,
naman
very
enough lang yung
enough
heat
lang
niya.
yung heat.
Alright, so paano din ang... Of course, you always use that wala pang mascara, di ba? Para huwag siya madumihan.
Pwede.
Pwede
You can
rin.
use it walang mascara or may mascara.
May mascara na,
So
okay.
sometimes kasi after mascara, nagka-clump or di ba? So mas maganda siyang pangtanggal din ng clumping and lalo, di ba pag namamascara, bumabagsak. So ito,
bumibigat.
lalo niyang kina-curl up.
O magkakano naman yung ganyan?
Ito 350 lang siya.
Alright, not
Very
bad din, not
affordable.
bad. What else do you have for us? Real quick, our other products.
Yes, so we have yung mga LED mirror kung gusto niyo mag-touch up. So just press it on.
Yan,
Very
yung mga
cheap.
nag-makeup sa kotse, you know who
Yes.
you are.
Or sa mga movie. Usong-uso
You know you
mga
are.
animal prints ngayon, diba?
Ayan, so fashionable. And all of
And
these
this one
things.
yung mga sealers natin for eyebrow, lipstick para very long wearing siya.
Alright.
And then eyeliner. So yun yung I think number one problem palagi nag-smudge yung eyeliner. So may eyeliner sealer.
Wow! And then of course, you've got all your famous brushes.
Yes, we have the stippling collection. So this one is for kung hindi kayo nakaka-airbrush. This one is more airbrush finish. So just use it in circular motion.
Alright.
You will achieve a airbrush finish na. with the
Set na to pag
Yes.
binibenta.
Individual.
Individual.
So, pinakamahal is this one, the bigger size. So, 950 lang siya. Yun na yung most expensive.
And then pamuran po. So pag ipunan nyo na, anyway, yung mga these items, at pag kunwari inlagaan mo rin ng husto, magtatagal din naman sa'yo dapat yan, ano? Alright, maraming salamat, Mrs. Zane Tan. And thank you also, Donna. Of course, to all of our models, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayan, girls, no reason para hindi tayo maging pretty and fresh ngayong 2012. At sa pamamagitan ng mga bagong makeup at mga gadgets na ito, tsak lalong bubongga ang ating tunay na kagandahan. Magbabalik pa unang hirit.